Very good morning to all of you. I hope that all of you are present. So yesterday's homework I am going to write it and I will send it to through WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to complete the homework and send it to me to the school. Do not forget that one. So today I am going to take this next lesson, that is Neha's alarm clock. Neha, Neha, Neha. Neha's alarm clock. Neha is a small girl like you. Okay, there are so many girls here. So Neha is also a girl like you. Neha's alarm clock. You know that what is a clock? Everybody knows. Can you see there is a clock here? All of you, can you see the clock? All of you, can you see the clock? Everybody? Yes. So this is an alarm clock. So here the narrator, okay, the writer, the person who is telling a story to us. So the narrator is saying, ring, ring, ring. So alarm is, yes, ringing, ring, ring, ring. You know that what is ring? What is the meaning of ring? Ring, ring, ring. It is making the sound, ring, 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 just like that. Of goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. So, for example, you are all children, you have to come to school, so you have to wake up early in the morning. So, your parents are keeping the alarm. Alarm means alarm is making too much sound. Alarm. It is making too much sound. So then after hearing those sound only you will be able to get up from the bed. So you know the meaning of alarm. Okay, so when you want to get up, so the parents are keeping the alarm in the clock. Alarm. Alarm is making too much sound. Alarm is producing sound. Alarm is producing sound. Alarm. A-L-A-R-M. Alarm. Producing sound. Sound. Yes. So here the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. 6 o'clock only the alarm is ringing in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. Is there anybody Neha in the class? Just like the girl, there is a girl, Neha. That is a story. That girl makes a face and covering her ears. What she is doing? She is on her bed and she is covering her face and ears also. So when you are when you are on the bed, you are covering your face along with the ears because you don't want to hear any kind of sound. Because alarm is ringing, ring, 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 ting, 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 ting. So you don't want to hear that sound. That is why you are covering your body. So you cannot hear, you don't like to get up early. So alarm is ringing and you are covering your face. That is the head, here, head. The complete head you are covering with what? With the cover, that is any kind of sheet. With a pillow, here not. You are all covering your body with this one. What is it? That sheet, isn't it? The sheet, something like that. But here pillow. You know what is pillow? Do you know the meaning of pillow? Pillow is not a new word. Pillow. P-I-L-L-O. Can you tell me what's a pillow? For what purpose you are using? You want to keep your head on the pillow and you want to sleep? Very well. Pillow. Yes. Okay. Snuggles under the warm blanket. Snuggles. Snuggles. The meaning is S-N-U-G-G-L-E-S. Snuggles means lying close and comfortable. Lying. The meaning is lying, L-Y-I-N-G, very close and comfortable. Lying, very close and comfortable. Yes. You are covering your head, everything like that. And how? You are not using the sheet, but you are using the pillow. The pillow which we are using to keep our head in our sleep. So she snuggles under the warm blanket. So what happened? She snuggles, yes, she is lying under the warm blanket. She is using a blanket. Warm blanket, very hot. Warm. Very hot blanket. It is very hot. That is not very cool. The blanket, you know that. Okay, the cloth, very thick cloth, which we are using for covering our body in the sleep. Yes, woolen blanket. Especially in the winter season, we are using the woolen blanket. Okay, and what she is doing, she knows, because she knows the alarm is ringing. So she want to cover her body. Okay, she doesn't want to get up from the bed, and that is why she is already covered the body with the pillow and on the under the warm blanket. She is lying under the warm, very hot blanket. But she knows she has to get up from the bed. She mutters to herself. So she mutters means murmuring. So this is the story. She is muttering, murmuring, okay, grumbling. So she is grumbling. Mutter means mutter, M-U-T-T-R. Yes, mutter means grumble. Yes. G-R-U-M. Yes. She is muttering, she is grumbling and sleeping. She is not getting up from the bed. Is it clear to you all? The small summary. Neha is lying, Neha is not ready to get up, and when she hears the alarm, she covers the whole body with the blanket and also the pillow. Once again. Muttering, she is grumbling. That is the first paragraph of the lesson. I taught you very well. So, I will give you some questions. You have to write the answers. Are you ready? The girl, everything as she is doing, she is lying on the bed and she is not ready to get up after hearing the alarm. She covered her body very well with the, what is it, the blanket and pillow, and she is murmuring. Is it clear? Everybody? Sure? So, are you ready to answer the questions? So, I am sending the questions to you. Yes, ma'am?